Checking your account balance with Financial Partners Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Financial Partners Credit Union website using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Log into online banking. Click on the login button to access the online banking portal. Enter your username and password to sign into your account. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts section. This is typically found on the main dashboard or menu. Step 4. Select your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. View your balance. After selecting your account, your current balance will be displayed along with recent transactions. Take note of your balance for your records. Now that you know how to check your account balance, you can easily keep track of your finances with Financial Partners Credit Union.